Hi. Welcome to Smoodle. In our today's modern world, it's a necessity for navigating an increasingly digitized society. Children need to know technology. In other words, they need to be digitally literate. The ability to code computer programs is an important part of literacy in today's society. Coding is an important tool for kids to learn about programming. So let's see what coding is about. Coding helps to teach digital literacy, creativity, persistence, computing thinking, problem-solving skills, confidence and communication skill. Yes, learning to code also sets your child up for potentially lucrative career opportunities. And doesn't just set students up for career opportunities later on in life, it also provides a host of soft skills and benefits. Here, we're gonna start with Scratch programming language, along with me. And introduce yourself to developmentally appropriate programming today. Before that, let's have a small glance about Scratch. Well, what is Scratch? Scratch is the world's largest coding community for children and a coding language with a simple visual interface that allows young people to create digital stories, games, and animations. Scratch is designed specifically for young people from ages 8 and up to help them develop 21st century learning skills. Scratch is designed especially for ages 8 to 16, but is used by people of all ages. Millions of people are creating Scratch projects. Scratch is always free and is available in more than 70 languages. It has been used in more than 200 different countries and territories. Scratch is a safe and playful learning environment that engages all children in thinking creatively, reasoning systematically, and working collaboratively. Before that, let's see how to download Scratch programming language. Now, first go to any available browser. Then search for Scratch 3.0 download. Click on the first available link here. Here, select the OS. Then install the Scratch app for the selected OS. Click Direct Download here. And now, the setup file has started to download. The downloaded setup file is available in Downloads in Computer. Then, click and start to install the file. Click Finish right here. Then the Scratch app will load here. And now it's done, and this is the Scratch user interface. Here, we're gonna start doing projects with Scratch. So, don't forget to subscribe to Smoodle to learn and make Scratch projects and many more. And stay tuned guys, for the upcoming projects.